What is good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. I am the one, the only, the most light-skinned individual in the world. I am the Golden Beard. So, as you see, we got the Cappuccino Wonder again. That's because Chewy's gonna be doing some work on that today. We're on our way to the shop. He's been here for a while, so I know he's already gotten started. So today we're putting the pistons in. The goal is to have the whole motor pretty much assembled, ready to go into the car the following day. Also, I appreciate you guys for liking, comment, and subscribing, especially the comments, man. I know I got this competition going on, or this little giveaway, or whatever you want to call it. So make sure y'all comment down below your answers, your guesstimate, and let's get to that. But also, too, I highly recommend, highly recommend you go see this video right here. Reason because is that I'm looking at you guys guesstimate, and you're not wrong, you're not right, but you're not far off. But you also need to take into consider that there are more parts than just a piston, crankshaft, and everything. When I said the total build, I mean everything from block all the way to the springs that you see on that one video, the differential. Like, I am rebuilding this car altogether. The only thing I didn't take into account for was the turbos, because I had the turbos on there before the transmission blew and before I started redoing the motor. I could take into account the turbos, which will make the price go up, but I'm not. I'll do that another video. I'll do that another time where I'll include the turbos and just kind of tell you the whole price list. For now, we're just going to keep it at the motor and the build to get where I'm at, so not the turbos. Drive shaft, transmission, piston, crankshaft, and everything else. So go watch that video right here again. Look at all those parts, and then give me your guesstimate on this video right here. Comment down below, and also too, put on that bell, post notification, so you see when I upload a new video. You guys are not guessing like, oh well, when's the next video and this and that. You already got the bell going on. As soon as I post one, you'll get notified and be ready to watch that video. Also too, again, I cannot express enough gratitude of thank you guys for commenting, thank you guys for subscribing and sharing. I've got a couple of new subscribers. The goal is to hit 100 subscribers before the end of this month, and then just keep going forward, keep running, and keep doing my thing. So if you meet that goal, or if you're down with that goals that I have for myself, hey, share it to some friends, tell your friends to share it, and tell them to do the same thing. So let's get in here and see what Chewy got. Oh yeah, so Chewy's doing his thing, making sure everything's secure, tight, about to torque everything down. Appreciate him, great mechanic, great guy. Need to get taller, but other than that, great guy. So I'm be in and out. We're gonna be watching him put stuff together. I'm gonna be talking somewhere, putting some music on. We're gonna be doing a lot. It's gonna be a lot of moving parts, but as long as you pay attention, stay with me, everything be all good. Like I said, just go down below, comment everything, or send me just a regular comment. Let me know what you think about the videos, either how I can improve or how I can get better. I'm taking those as well, but I definitely want to see you guys guessing on that. So yeah, we're gonna watch Chewy do his thing and work hard and do what he does best. And then if you are in El Paso and you need your car worked on, make sure you hit him up at Speed Industry, named right here. Shoot him a text message, bring your car to him. I promise you won't be disappointed. I've been to a couple mechanics here in El Paso, and let me say, I got the best one right now. I'll tell you that right now. Want to say anything?
Huh?
Want to say anything? Explain what you're doing. Yeah, yeah.
I'm just been installing the pistons in the crankshaft.
Yeah, but how do you do that? Like, what's the method?
Kind of a long process to explain real fast, but pretty much we use this to compress the rings on the piston, and then we line it up on the cylinder board, and we just gently push it down until we meet the crank over here, down here. You wanna go around? Until we meet the crank down here, and then we'll just hand tie this for now until we finish all of them. Then we'll flip it around and turn them down.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah, so like you said, pretty much putting the pistons in right now. Well on the way. Well on the way. I assume we should have the motor all assembled and complete by end of day, maybe. As far as installation back in the car, that'll probably be another day.